Olubege egwu ikolobịa. Olubege egwu ikolobịa. USA na-egbu ajọ mma. Olubege egwu ikolobịa. USA na-apịa ajọ igwe. Olubege egwu ikolobịa. USA na-egbu ajọ mma. Olubege egwu ikolobịa. USA na-apịa ajọ igwe. Olubege egwu ikolobịa. Operation Massacre agha. Operation Bulldozer agha. Gbuo ya mma gbaa ya egbe agha. Gbuo ya mma gbaa ya egbe agha. Gbaa ya egbe gbuo ya mma agha. USA na-egbu ajọ mma. Olubege egwu ikolobịa. USA na-apịa ajọ igwe. Olubege egwu ikolobịa. Chukwu. Come to me in all states in USA. In all good countries. Family, generation, ancestries. All that support USA. Moving them forward. Come to me there in their foundation, science and technologies. Come to me worldwide. Come to me in Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, USA. In all countries, in Arab world, in Middle East, all places, all countries, in all land, in all ocean, in airspace, on sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxy, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, asteroid, heaven, report. On Bermuda Triangle, port. Come to me there. In Chukwu name, to destroy all the negative Agwu. Agwu. AGW. To destroy and wipe out all the negative Agwu. We begin with Ndagwulugwu. Onwu. Nda. 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 GW. Gwulugwu. LUGW. Ndagwulugwu. Then Onwu. ONW. Death. Agwu Ndagwulugwu Onwu. To destroy her and turn her upside down. The negative part of Agwu, like feminine energy, Agwu, claiming right, claiming they are right, and humanity own them a lot, going against lives and properties, against the world, Ndagwulugwu Onwu. Then, and Agwu Ara, they are like feminine energy, but the negative part. Ara means mental disorder, causing all kind of mental disorder, and knocking the innocent away from the real world, from reality world, possessing their mind, their soul, giving them different reasoning and thinking, blocking them, causing all different kind of mental disorder, panic attack, different kind of mental disorder, depression against the innocent. Agwu, Ara. Then the third, Agwu, Asi. Agwu like the feminine energy. Then Asi, ASI. Asi. Asi in English means lies. LIES, lies. Agwu, Asi. Na, like na, NA, na. And Ihala, IGHALA. Ihala. Ihala means in English means false and fake. Promoting false and fake. And all some people moving around recruiting members into false and fake. Agwu, Asi, and Ihala. Then the next, we mentioned Agwu, we mentioned Ndagwulugwu Onwu. They are feminine energy. Ndagwulugwu Onwu. killing so many innocent in the history. Let me finish calling them out. Then I tell you the damages they have done in the past to the world and the tears and sorrows they brought against the innocent. Yeah? Let me go to another. Agwu, IGW, Agwu. Osofu, OSOFU. Osofu, OSOFU. Agwu Osofu promoting the negative part, like the witchcraft negative part. All the care, all this Agwu Osofu cares, using negativities against the innocent, against the world, commanding negative influence, blocking the innocent from moving forward, blocking countries, blinding so many in the world. All the care, put cause in a nation, bring them down, to kill. That's all Agwu Osofu specialize on. Moving the world forward, bringing good, none in their agenda. Then next, Agwu Isiagwu. Agwu, goddess, Isi, blindness, Agwu, goddess, like the energy, the negative part, specialize on blinding the innocent, causing different kind of eye problem, both physical and spiritual vision eye problem, both physical and spiritual, blocking the eye, blocking the innocent to see, both physical and spiritual, and the innocent to continue having a different kind of eye problem, an eye disease, and causing born blind. You see a child, when they born the child, you discover that the child unable to see, born blind. Then some alive in the future, then this Agwu is Agwu, struggling and fighting the innocent, to blind them, physical, leading to their some lose their sight, and become blind, with disease attached. I think I mentioned all. To destroy all of them and turn them upside down. Remember, we stand in Chukwu name, Chukwu higher energy, that higher energy, to destroy them and turn them upside down, all of them, wherever they are hidden, in family, generation, ancestries, worldwide. I use all animals, roosters, hens, 3 bitter colors, male dog, nkita, okay nkita, male dog, then male dogs, okay obagu, otinku chicken, 4 he goats, baby powders, cosmetic soaps, tissue napkins. Destroy and turn all of them upside down. I destroy them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. To block all of them, and say, rise no more. I use all animals, roosters, hens, Ebo ngene green blocking, walls blocking. Chukwu and Ndotie, walls all colors blocking. Uncountable rabbits, biophysical and spiritual giant walls, block all of them. I block them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. Then to cover them, I use uncountable black blankets, akwoji, uncountable trash bags, uncountable plastic bags, wakele, capture all of them, bring them down, and the negativities, their negative powers, and their thrones, bring them down, cover all of them, put all of them inside the basket, cover them, chain them, tie them, blind all of them, block them, bury, cover all of them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And all their angers, wherever they are, their reason anger, wherever they lay the anger, and any of their anger that might struggle to rise again against the innocent. I 247 unlimited use 2233 uncooked eggs. Still, still calm, and terminate all the angers. Terminate all the angers and say, leave and never come back again. No more coming back. And moving us forward, and energize us in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. Prayer and all human come together, mighty all human worldwide. We stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace. We skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, asteroid, heaven, earth, all foundation, all family, generation, ancestors. But we stand, all human, mother worldwide. We use water, boil eggs, drink, beer, wine, soda, fruit, food, cigarette, weed for those that smoke. All we eat that are good into our body. And all medications, all the medications we take, different medications we take, all getting injection, all that goes into the body to heal the body. We use them to welcome this prayer, their power, authorities, manifestation. Stand firm. Stand firm. Again, kana. No falling, no going down, and be free from all the negative agwu. All of them. We are free in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. Then all their chain and their rope, they used to chain the world, chain the innocent, chain the mother, chain human worldwide. Family, generation, ancestors, countries, all their chain. To free us from all their chain. And from all their prison, both physical and spiritual. I use all animals, roosters, hens, frogs, goats, agama lizard, owls, grasshoppers, oranges, sugar, pepper soup, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colas. Free all family, generation, ancestors, world, all humanity, all human worldwide. Free us in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and unchain us, and untie us, and free us. Free past generation, present generation, future generation, and generation coming. I'm moving forward. Prayer based in USA NATO science and technologies. Transfer to all hospitals worldwide, down to psych ward recuperative cares. Transfer to Serenity recuperative care. Transfer to all police, sheriff, CIA, Secret Service, FBI, military, Navy, Air Force, Marine, Coast Guard, Border Patrol, Custom, Immigration. Transfer to all bouncers, loss prevention. Transfer to Ally Universal Security and all the security worldwide. Homeland Security. Transfer to them. Transfer into all the sports. Transfer to sports, both men and women, male and female. Transfer to them. Transfer into UEFA, FIFA, Champions League, both men and women. Euro 2024 in advance. Transfer to Premier League, Champions League. Transfer to Chelsea, my club, Chelsea men and women. Transfer into MLS, LA Galaxies, all Galaxies. Transfer to us. I love you guys, and I'm expecting to come back next season. Stay in all your game. With the fans, sitting with the LA Riot squad. That's the way I want to be sitting with them, all their games. Then let's see how they can win us. They win us again. I stayed here with you saying, I just sit there praying for my galaxy. I found joy with you guys. The first place I came when I stayed in Kasim, and the first time LA Galaxy played, my brother Anthony Nkwuaku, he lives here in Kasim, close to the fire station. He bought tickets. He said, let's go watch LA Galaxy. I know he he introduced me to the Galaxy indirectly, but he knew that if he take me to the game, then I will have interest, I will develop interest to start supporting the LA Galaxy. We came into the stadium time for the game. We were sitting at the top. He showed me LA Galaxy. He said, the team on the white, I think they were putting on white that day. He said, these are the team we are supporting, and their name, LA Galaxy, are here, they are home. I think the first game I came, that was Robbie Keane was there. Robbie Keane, he was there, you know. All I do, focus on the game, followed LA Galaxy. I think the game, they scored LA Galaxy. That was the game was on July 4th. After the game, we then went to the fireworks on the out of the stadium. I think they scored. They played 2-2 that day. They played 2-2. That was the score. We didn't lose. LA Galaxy didn't lose, and they were down by 2-1. All I do, I focus. I say, Anthony. He say we are supporting this team. Yeah, I focus on the team. Next thing, Robbie Keane scored. He scored that day. Yeah, I think he scored 2 goals, or he scored the tie game. Yeah, that was during the time Robbie Keane was playing for the Galaxy. Then later on, years, I started going on my own. That was the way I started liking LA Galaxy, and I want to work for them in the future. They bring me in. I stayed with them. LA Galaxy, LA Galaxy, LA Galaxy. Back to prayer. Transfer to NBA. Transfer to Lakers. And transfer to LA Clippers. Tonight, I'm gonna watch you guys. You are in LA. Anything LA, I'm in. I'm Lakers fan. But Clippers, anytime you play, because you are here in LA, you identify with LA, then I'm in. I will watch you guys doing my thing in secret, supporting. Transfer to LA Clippers. Transfer to MLB, baseball, Dodgers. Transfer to NFL, Los Angeles Rams. Transfer into NHL, the hockey. Transfer to LA Kings. Transfer to Club America, Mexico. Transfer to Chivas, USA. Transfer to LAFC. Transfer to Columbus Crew, the soccer. Transfer to all for free. All ready to move the world forward. Transfer to them. Transfer to all land, all ocean, all airspace, worldwide. Family, generation, ancestors. Transfer to Nkwuaku family. My family. Aka Metal family. Onwu Echete. All our friends and well-wishers, supporters. Transfer to All-Star. All-Star soccer in Carson. All-Star. All-Star. Transfer to us. Transfer to all parks, all beaches, all museums. Transfer to all. Transfer into Catholicism. Peter's system, Peter's Basilica. Transfer to Pope Francis. Transfer into to Pope Francis. Transfer to all churches. Hinduism, Buddhism, all religion, all craft. Freemasonry worldwide, Masons worldwide. Ekis, Ikanka, Amok, the Rosicrucians. Transfer to all Oboni craft. Transfer to you guys. Transfer to Wicca. Wicca. Transfer to all practicing witchcraft. On the good side, using their spell to move the world forward. Transfer to you guys. And then all using their spell, all using their craft to curse the world, put curse on the innocent. No transfer. Go pray your own. Transfer to Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts. Transfer to all banks. All my prayer, all my prayer and this. Transfer to all banking system worldwide. USA Bank. Transfer to my bank, Wells Fargo. My bank, they close my checking account. Wells Fargo closed my checking account because of overdraft, no money. And my savings account, no money. Please, I want to bank with you guys in the future. Transfer to Wells Fargo. When money start coming in, I continue to be your customer and bank with you. Wells Fargo, I love you guys. Transfer to Bank of America, transfer to Citibank, transfer to JP Chase Morgan Bank, yeah, transfer to other banks in USA, transfer to all other banks in other countries, World Bank, all banks in all countries, transfer to them and their foundation, science and technologies, transfer to all working and unemployed, all moving the world forward, transfer to us. So Moribi, say, Sanko FM Chief Priest, Peter Odira, Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA, Chief Priest World, Chief Priest USA. Ahoy! Oh, come. Bia, come together. Ahoy! Oh, come together. I carry all on my shoulder. We climb on top. Ahoy! Abarepata! Poquito tequila forward.